Good evening, teacher.
Good evening, everyone. My name is Risa.
My name is Yong Cha Supreme.
Today we are going to talk about homework every day. I'm responsible of Advantage.
And I'm responsible of the group. The con us doing homework every day.
For me, I agree that the teacher should give homework for students every day because the teacher is want to make sure that their students learn and understand what is being taught inside the classroom. And the homework every day is a great way of it helps students have development of life skill, developing of a good study habit, and it also helps students prepare for tests and quiz by providing practice and review opportunities.
Yes, but for me, I think doing homework too much is not good for students because have you ever feel like homework is taking over of your life, and if you think that you are not alone because it might be more worse than doing right because nowadays students study a long time at school and they are doing a lot of exercise at school, and when they are going back home they still have many homework to do from their teacher, like if it depends on the level too. If it's just a low level it's okay, that's fine, but if it's high level it's so difficult and the student needs to do the research to combine with their idea more into that homework. And you know what, some house they have so many family members, so that's why it's difficult for them to use the internet to do the researching, and it's so difficult.
Some people think the same like you, but a lot of people think that homework is very meaningful for our students. When we do homework, we always stress and depression, but we don't meet stress and depression. How can we become a good student?
Thank you, Risa. But homework can take away from for habits, sport, relation, or family time.
I know, but you can rest 10 minutes or 15 minutes and do your homework.
But it's still difficult for students too because they can spend a lot of time and sometimes with their family, and even they are studying too much at school while they are at home and they still can't spend their time with their family because of doing too much homework.
Yes, we don't have much time with our family and other time, but nothing comes easy. We need to study and do homework because homework is very important. Homework recalling your brain, reinforces learning, enhancing and memory, improve retention, test preparation, developing good study habit, development of life skill.
But some homework don't affect for students because when they are doing homework at home, it's not sure that they understand about the homework that the teacher gives to them, because if they do the exercise at school, when they don't understand they can ask the teacher to explain them again and again, and they can try to do it so they will understand or ask the exercise. But if they are doing it at home, when they don't understand, it's so hard for them to do the homework.
Doing homework at home is hard for them, but it make them ask their teacher for explain and make their brain recalling.
I just want to ask that did you got the point that I said? Because I just said that when students doing homework at home, when they don't understand, they can't ask the teacher to explain them. But if they are doing exercise a lot at school, when they don't understand, they still can ask the teacher to explain again and again.
When you're doing homework at your home, you said that doing homework at your home is don't have a teacher to teach you, but you can ask your parent or your sister, and you can learn it by search YouTube.
but at some house, like I said before, but some house they don't have Wi-Fi to do the researching and to do to go on the internet because they have so many members and the internet is so slow and some house have many members like many little sister, little brother, and it's so messing around and it's so annoying them to do the homework.
If they are friendly, they can ask the neighbor, and I think like some teacher he not blame on his student because he want become a teacher because he want to take all the students is good.
But not all other people is friendly. Some kind of people is like an introvert person or they are just afraid to ask others to take care of their little sister and little brother.
Sometimes you can ask your
But I think some introvert is always ask someone to.
Sometimes when students are overloaded with homework, they may lose internet and learning at field school and is a shop rather than a place or grow.
Some students when they do a lot of homework, they can have a sleep problem. But we need if we want to become a good student, we need to spend much time to do homework. Some students they study at 12 o'clock in the middle of the night and always get up early because they want to become a good student.
Yes, and for most learner, a high volume of homework correlate with increased stress, anxiety, and even mental exhaustion. Constant stress puts students in a position where they are forced to feel hopeless, frustrated, or angry.
Yes, some students they always feel like that, and when a person they become a good student, they always meet that too.
and I want to continue add more idea. You said that doing you say that doing homework every day make you feel bad, no time to rest. But now, if you are a student, please change your chill thinking. Why I say like that? Because studying, we have to understand many lessons and practice exercise and compete in a various ability test. And so, what should you do?
Students who spend too much time on homework may sleep, which negatively impact concentration or health.
Students spending too much it make them sleep problem because it always happen to students they want to study.
Yes, that's why I said that it will affect on their mental health. Like they will get mental health breakdown if they are doing too much homework. They spend only and focus only doing homework at their room. It so lead them to increase stress and anxiety.
Some students they get mental health breakdown, but they always get success.
But most other students who try to doing a lot of homework, it will make them it will affect on their brain and they will have the feeling that they don't want to study anymore.
I think homework not make them become a stressful more. I think it's recalling your brain.
But studying too much and doing homework too much, it's not recall your brain. It will make your brain becoming stressed and it will give you a lot of exhausted.
I think if make you stress and depression, you need to rest 15 or 10 minutes and 20 minutes. If you say like that, you don't need to study because everything that you spend too much is for your time, but it bring good effect or bad effect.
not all other students that don't want to do the homework. It means that they don't need to study. Yes, they can study at school, and because they study part time and they doing too much exercise at school already. That's why if the teacher only give them only a little hours homework is okay, but they giving too much homework.
And I mean that all the students that do homework is is not stressful or depression because they love study.
Why the non-depression? But if the homework is have too much.
You know, people have a different brand and different mind. Some people they do hard work or a lot of homework. They don't stress.
Doing too much homework, yes, can make them become like a smart student or outstanding student. But homework is also have a negative or bad effect on them too. Like it will affect on their brain, and yes, you know, it's so stressing them out.
Yeah, mate.
It's like when people become a good student, they always stress and depression. It's like when a people become a good student, they meet stress and depression and become a good student. But we need we need to face our problem. Then we become a good.
Anh hỏi là cầm ăn liền trên kem ăn là không ai thì.
Cái thang bữa thơ chưa? Cái thang bữa xong thì cái mong vợ lắm. Về anh vào trong. Về anh được hai viên thôi dân hình xã hay có về anh vào trong một làm lại sống trên thằng bạn về mặt.
Riêng đây là cái miền Hồ Vân đi cà phê.
But if we study and spending our time too much and study at school already, why do we need too much homework to do at home?
You need to ask your teacher why your teacher is spend why your teacher is give your homework. You need to ask him.
I'm talking about the topic that the teacher give, like doing homework every day. Not mean I need to ask the teacher.
But teacher is older than us. That's why you ask me why we need to do homework. But he our teacher, he know homework is bring a lot of benefit.
But I mean about the title as topic, not that you want me to ask the teacher about giving us too much homework. I mean not all of the homework is negative, but just give a little homework that's fine. That is not need many homework to do at home more.
But we debate and I can ask your question. I can I can ask you a question.